SWG burst onto the scene not too long ago, quickly gained market share, even going so far as to rerunning many sets that are already available on GMK. I'm going to be putting SWG direct back-to-back with GMK to see how close they come. As per my polling, over 82% of you overwhelmingly wanted to add KKB to the mix. We're going to be using my Unicorn as a test bench. I already have two builds permanently built for this board that we need to execute this test. One solder build with MX Blacks on Alu, and one with Yogurt S on Alu build. I'm going to run a back-to-back first on MX Blacks with all three keycaps, completely blind. Then another back-to-back completely blind again with what's likely going to be our switch of the year, the S tier just balance switch, HMX Yogurt S. We're going to do this video in two parts, tournament style, and let you guys vote on the best sounding caps. The goal is to see if one of these rises to the top consistently as voted by you when everything is completely blind. I personally think this will be super easy and GMK will rise to the top and show a clear advantage, especially when tested blind, removing all bias and perceived value, etc, etc. Strictly on sound alone, which keycaps sound the best. Feel free to go back and forth, scrub the back-to-back as you need it to pick your favorite. Then go to the poll and vote. Once all the votes are in a couple days, we're going to go over the results and see what landed where and my personal takes on these three contenders for top ABS caps in the custom space that we play in. Here comes the back-to-backs. Okay, I was wrong. This is going to be incredibly hard actually. Right off the bat, let me tell you, all three keycaps slap. Whether it's Cherry MX Blacks or HMX Yogurt S, all three, GMK, SWG, and KKB are all excellent from a sound perspective. All are extremely usable. I didn't once feel like I was coping with any of the sets as I typed the 90 words required for this back-to-back. Molds and kerning notwithstanding, the feel and sound of all three are great. I enjoyed all of them. It really surprised me, to be honest. I thought GMK would be super obvious. Now it's up to you guys to prove one way or another. Will Team Red, Team Blue, or Team Green caps come out ahead in the polling? Scrub back. Pick your favorite switch, your choice, Cherry or HMX. Listen carefully, pick the one that stands out to you. Team Red, Team Green, Team Blue. I'm super curious to see the results of this, if one comes out ahead or it just ends up splitting 33-33-33. Be sure to click like if you like these kind of blind tournament style shit that we run here every once in a while. This time, it's for great science. We're determining a lot. Specifically SWG versus GMK with KKB thrown in the mix, which honestly is just as good really as far as I can tell. Let's hope you guys prove me wrong. Don't forget to vote via the link in the description and the first pinned comment. They both go to the same place. We'll come back in a few days to see where we're at. Thanks everyone. See you all soon.